From the dungeon to the palace, the message never changes. Paul stands before kings to declare that the hope of Israel is the light of the whole world. When the storm rages, God is still the captain. In the heart of the hurricane, Paul's courage stays firm because he knows the one who holds the winds in his hands. Even the poison of the enemy has no power over the purpose of God. On the shores of Malta, the fire of the gospel burns brighter than the bite of the viper. The gospel reaches the capital of the world. Though in chains, Paul is free proclaiming the kingdom of God in the heart of Rome without hindrance. It is the power of God for everyone who believes. We are not ashamed of the message that takes a broken life and makes it a masterpiece of grace. Righteousness is not earned, it is received. Through faith alone, we step out of the courtroom of judgment and to the peace of a Father who calls us his own. You are no longer a slave to fear. The Spirit of God dwells within you, crying, Abba, Father, and marking you as a royal heir to an eternal kingdom. Nothing can stop the love of God through trials, shipwrecks, and storms. We are more than conquerors because the King who loves us will never let us go.